creative buddies. Today I am going to show you how you can make this beautiful peacock by following some easy steps. Are you ready?
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the direct updates.
Let's start. First draw the outline with the pencil. Now we are going to draw the body of the peacock. We will start from head. Just simply make S by freehand. Like this. It is very simple. Now it's time to make eyes and beak. For the feathers, you don't have to be very perfect. Just make wavy, stylish zigzag strokes. Like I am doing. Now draw the design to make it more beautiful. The design is very simple and easy, as you can see. Now draw the outline with black sketch. Once the outline is done, we will start the coloring. We will not color the peacock completely, but we will play with patterns and make small little tiny triangles to fill the peacock. For neck I am using yellow color, and for design I am using green, blue and purple color. You can choose any color you want. Here I am making raindrop shapes. To make the feathers more decorative, I am using yellow and green color to fill the raindrops. Make the triangles freely. There is no need of perfection. As you have seen, I have used blue sketch for the upper portion of the feather and green sketch I am using for the rest of the feather. Here make sure to fill the corners first. Now do the finishing and color the beak and eyes. Thanks for watching.